So I want to show you my skincare routine for the night. Every single night, one of my goals this year was to narrow down my skincare routine and make it a priority into my nightly routines. And so I just wanted to share the products that I've been currently using, and just like showing you the steps that I take to take care of my skin during the night. The first one being applying some toner. And these products change over time once I run out, because I get sent quite a lot of products from brands and I always try to use them all in order of when they arrive. So like I'll use the older ones first, wait for them to run out, and then just like use the other ones. So currently right now I'm using this Thayers Hazel Aloe Vera formula, and this I actually bought for myself back when I didn't have like any toners, and right now I'm trying to like run out of it really fast because I have so many toners from brands that have sent their toners to me, and I just like want to try them and use them. Right after I apply toner, I like going with some eye cream, and I'm currently using the Creamy Eye Treatment with Avocado from Kiehl's, and I always use like this finger, which is like the most gentle finger that you have. So I just like do it all throughout my under eyes, and then I just apply the rest of the product that's on my finger around the area on top of the eyes itself. Something that I really love to use are Dermala's pimple patches, and I've worked with them twice, like every single year since like 2020. I've worked with them, and these are the pimple patches that I'm talking to you about, and they're so freaking good. I actually love applying them on like pimples like this one that you see here. Like, this has got to go because I'm getting married in a couple of weeks and I can't be having this. But then again, I am gonna get my period soon, so I think that's why my skin is like starting up. Here I see one on top of my lip. Likewise, so I just put like these pimple patches. I'm actually using this UFO by Sunday Riley serum, and I just like apply it all throughout my skin. Christian doesn't like the smell of this serum, but he's got to deal with it when I put it on because I need to have my skin all pretty. So running that all over my cheeks, anywhere I see like redness or acne marks, stuff like that. And then after I apply that serum, I usually just like apply Laneige lip mask. And this like nighttime skincare routine also varies because sometimes I switch out serums, or instead of like applying the pimple patches, I just apply like some spot treatment on my acne. So there's that. It's super quick, super easy, but effective. And I'm gonna show you like a little overview of what my skincare routine looks like. These are the products that I'm currently using and that I switch out during the nights. And then this is what my morning routine products consist of.